Number 1. 1951 Pontiac Chieftain, 3-speed on the column, inline 6 12V battery. At a price, $20,000. Number 2. 1949 Chrysler Windsor, all original, kept in a controlled environment. It has a flathead straight-six Spitfire engine and a fluid-drive semi-automatic transmission. The car has a new complete brake system, including new brakes, wool cylinders, master cylinder, all new hoses and belts, as well as a new coil, points, condenser, spark plugs, spark plug wires, distributor cap, and regulator. Original manuals and documents are with the car. It has been used for weddings and proms. Very dependable car. At a price, $18,500. Number 3. 1964 Mercury Marauder 1 family-owned till 2021 392V automatic power steering, new seat covers and headliner replaced with OEM materials, original paint, and drivetrain. Originally from South Carolina, new tires. Dual exhaust rust-free. At a price, $19,000. Number 4. 1957 Chevy Bel Air with a newly rebuilt 1994 SBC 350 board 30 over. Has a Rochester 2-barrel carburetor, gets 13 to 15 miles per gallon. Has a 1981 Corvette 350 turbo transmission rebuilt with new pump and torque converter. Motor and transmission have less than 1,000 miles on them. I did an oil change at 500 miles. New fuel tank, a new Elderbrock electric fuel pump. New Hankook tires, new shocks, new interior, new carpet with soundproofing that has upgraded. Front disc brakes. I also have the fender skirts. The paint looks good at 15 feet, only the passenger door has some paint cracking. Does not have power steering or air conditioning. No trades, and I will not reply to is this still available. Located in Boaz, Alabama. At a price, $27,000. Number 5. 1962 Cadillac in pretty good condition, runs and drives clean. Title: a lot of new parts including new Coker tires and air ride all the way, around $18,000 or best offer. Number 6. Looking to possibly trade or sell my 1977 Oldsmobile Delta 88 car. Is a 2-owner with 59,000 miles and meticulously taken care of with oil change records, and tons of other records. The car has new, spark, plug wires, new tires, and I have redone the headliner and has new speakers. The car cranks up and runs great and drives great. Would drive anywhere. Heat works good. AC blows, but not very cold. Original paint shows its age in certain areas, but still looks great. Interior is pretty immaculate. Tons of new spare parts to go with it. 6K OBO or trade for Dodge Chargers or Challenger Corvettes or Camaro or Mustangs or Jeep. Send your offers. Worst I can say is no. At a price, $6,000. Number 7. 1956 Flight Hawk Studebaker. Red and white paint, small amount of paint flaking on fender, overall paint good. Updated interior. 6-cylinder motor, automatic transmission, standard brakes and all original. No air conditioner. 97,000-ish miles. This car is garage kept. At a price, $13,500. Number 8. 1976 C3 Corvette, 49,151 actual miles. Leather interior, no tears, great condition, a little sun bleach on carpet though. Engine, 350 engine and transmission. Factory AC, nice removable T-tops. Factory rally wheels, good brakes and tires on all 4. Only owned for 2 years, kept in garage. Has a fresh tune-up as well. Really nice and fun driving car, you will love to take it on long country drives. Clear Indiana title. At a price, $14,000. Number 9.